Welcome to today's video. We're going to uncover 3 common self-sabotaging mistakes that are blocking your success and how to overcome them. If you're feeling stuck, you might be making these mistakes without even knowing it. Let's dive in and get you back on track. Mistake number 1, negative self-talk. Constantly doubting yourself or criticizing your abilities. Negative self-talk can seriously hold you back. Thoughts like, "I'm not good enough," can undermine your confidence and stop you from taking action. How to overcome it? Start by becoming aware of your inner dialogue. Replace negative thoughts with positive affirmations. For example, instead of saying, "I can't do this," try, "I am capable and prepared." Positive self-talk boosts confidence and motivates you to act. Mistake number 2, procrastination. Putting off tasks or decisions. Procrastination often results from fear of failure or wanting things to be perfect. It leads to missed deadlines and increased stress. How to overcome it? Break tasks into smaller, manageable steps and set specific deadlines. Try techniques like the Pomodoro technique. Work for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. This makes tasks less overwhelming and helps you stay focused. Mistake number 3, fear of failure. Afraid to take risks? Fear of failure can prevent you from seizing opportunities and reaching your full potential. How to overcome it? Reframe failure as a learning experience. Embrace a growth mindset by seeing setbacks as opportunities for improvement. Set realistic goals and expect challenges as part of the journey to success. To recap, we covered negative self-talk, procrastination, and fear of failure. 3 self-sabotaging mistakes that can block your success. Recognizing and addressing these issues is crucial for achieving your goals. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on personal growth. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.